They all like McDonald's food so much they're following Chad because they all want to see what's inside the bag. Yes, you too.
Ah, the chicken is chasing the donkey, yeah. Seriously.
Really? I missed it.
That's hilarious.
Okay, what's Daddy got in the bag for everybody? What's in there? Here comes Sparky. She's like, what's in there? I want to know. Here comes Dunkey. Lacey. Okay. That's what we all want. We want McDonald's bag. They all like McDonald's, including the chicken. What's in there? What's in there? It's mine. It's mine. Whatever it is, I want it. What is it? What is it? Donkey likes it. He's eating the bag. Is it okay? Should he be eating the bag? Okay. Well, if he has strange poop later, we'll know why. Why, you got bored with the bag? Huh? You get bored with the bag already? Huh? Are you bored? What happened? What about you? Huh? What about you? What about you? Let me see you. There we go.